Video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem, which is black square. So here we have to, first of all, we have to read our question. You can see, quite recently a very smart student named Jury decided that lectures are boring, so he downloaded the game Black Square on his super cool touchscreen phone. In this game, the phone's screen is divided into four vertical strips. Each second, a black square appears on some of the strips. According to the rules of the game, Jury must use the second to touch the corresponding strip to make the square go away. As Jury both smart and lazy, he counted that he was just exactly AI calories on touching the ith strip. You have got a string as describing the process of the games and numbers A1, A2, A3, A4. Calculate how many calories Jury needs to destroy all the squares. Input: the first line contains four space separated integers A1, A2, A3, A4. The second line contains strings S, where the ith character of the string equals 1. If on the ith second the the square appears on the first strip. 2. It appears on the second strip. 3. If appears on the third strip. 4. If appears on the fourth strip. Print a single line integer the total number of calories that Jury was just. So here you can see those examples. First example, you can see 1 2 3 4, and then 1 2 3 4. You can see the output is 30, and in the second you can see 1 5 1 5 3 2, and you can see the output is 13. So we have to go to replete. So here you can see, in the first line there is 4 input, and then in the second line it's a string, and then the output is 13. It means when a character I is equal to say 1, then it should be plus by these. You can see 1 1 plus 1, and then it is 2 2 plus 2, 1 plus 2 3, and 3 3 plus 3 6, and when it's 4, and then when it's 2, is plus is equal to 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, 1 1 plus 9, 9 plus 4 13, and in the last you can also see when it is 5, sum is equal to 0 plus 1, then output is 1, and then again 1 1 plus 1 2, and when it's 2 and 2, 2 and 2. So when it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, no, it's a sum of 5. So when it's 1 plus 1, and then it's 1 plus 1 2, and then it's 2 2 means 5. So 5 1 plus 1 2, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. When again 5 is it means 7, and plus 5 is equal to 12, and then 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So we have to go to our replete, and then we already have a class and which name is main, and then we have to find, so we have to write our those packages, and then we have to write a scanner class. So here we write import java.util.star, and then public, and here we have to write a scanner class. So we write scanner as is equal to new scanner, into the bracket we write system.in, and after that we have to write, we have to take four input from our user. So we first of all we write int a1 is equal to sc dot next int, and then we have to copy this line and paste three times, and we have to change the variable name. So we copy here and paste three times. First, second, and third time, and here we change the variable name. Here we write a2, a2, a3, and a4, a4, and then we have to take a string input from our user. So we write string as str is equal to sc dot next, and then what can we do? We have to run a loop. So we run for loop. Here we take another new variable which is integer type, and we initialize it by 0, and here we write I less than str dot length, and then I plus plus. After that we have to write if str dot character I str dot character I is equal to 1, so here we have to take another variable which is integer type, and we initialize it by 0. So we called here it c, so we write int c is equal to 0, and then here we write c plus is equal to a1. It means when the value of str dot character I is equal to 1, then c is c is some by c plus the value of c is increased, and the c plus is equal to a1, and then we copy this line again, and then we paste here almost 3 times. First time here we change, right here we write 2, and here we also write a2, and then again we paste this here again, and here we also change the loop. We write here else, and then here we also change. We write a I is equal to 3, and we write a c plus is equal to 3, and in the last we paste this loop again, and here we write else, and here we remove this one. Here we write 4, and then we write a c plus is equal to a4. In the last we write here c. So can we get the summation of the total value of c? Then we have to copy those examples from our question, and again we have to go our So we this time we run this code. So here what find symbol, oh is right here java.util. So again we have to run our code, and then we have to paste those example here, and then you can see the answer 30. Second answer is 30, and also you have to paste here our first example, and the answer is also 30 13. Then we have to copy our code and go to submit code, and then choose a problem like a square, and then paste the code here, and we have to press into the submit button. When we press into the submit button, it will take a few seconds. So we refresh a few minute time, so you can see it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. If you understand this video, like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.